Hi guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show with me, your host Sean. Now, I want to thank you for giving up your precious time for watching this video. But before I start, any of you guys in dividends, you may in the dividend stocks, you may want to head over and check out the Dividend Bloodhound Investing channel, purely because he's recently been monetized and he's decided to celebrate by giving away an Amazon gift card for anyone who resides in the UK. He's not giving one to everyone, obviously, but he's running a competition. So for the next 7 days, if you want to head over and enter that competition, all you need to do is like, subscribe and comment, and I'll head on with the show. It's going to be a quick one today. It's about Palantir and Suing Capital Core. If you remember in my last video, if you've seen it, that is, I spoke how Suing had given their guidance and their net asset value, and they hadn't updated their Palantir holdings. Now, when they said they invested 16 million when Palantir was valued at $4 billion, calculated that to be worth 0.4%. But of course, a lot of things happen during that time, such as dilution, and it turns out that it's been confirmed that they only own 0.25%. So either they've been diluted or they've sold a percentage of it since then. However, what we need to bear in mind is if it does IPO at 20 billion and doesn't do anything, or even loses it value, the only upside is a 1% upside. However, if it does like Lemonade and IPOs at a higher rate, and don't forget to hit that lovely like button, almost as lovely as me. Helps with the YouTube algorithm and getting the video out to more people. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Become part of the Savvy Money Show family. We give each other hints and tips and updates about stocks and shares we talk about on the show. As well as that, you can ask me to look into any share you want, and I don't charge a Discord fee or ask for a Patreon. All I do ask is for you to comment in the box below and hit the like button. Even if you disagree with me, especially if you disagree with me, I like a debate, and if I do something wrong, I want you to call me on it so I can improve the channel. And why not check out the links in the description below? There's lots of others. I've used each one of them myself. I wouldn't give you links if I haven't checked them out myself. If you're looking for a free trading platform which should trade your stocks and shares, you know, you can get a free share worth up to £200 for signing up and depositing a small amount. A free trade only requires a £1 deposit. The others require £100 or dollars, depending on which one you go for. Stake has over 3,500 US stocks on their books, which is the biggest one outside of the US. Whereas Trading 212 is one of the best and easiest platforms to use. But as I said, I use all three. Anyway, on with the show. If it does like Lemonade and IPOs at a higher rate, or it ends up going up like Lemonade at a higher rate, you know, for 30, if it goes up to 30 million, then there'll be a 14% upside. If it goes to 40 million, it'll be 28% upside. And if it carries on, you know, who knows how far it can go. And as I said, they will eventually adjust the market cap for this. Personally, I think it's worth it. Personally, I think it's worth it. I think it's going to be worth holding. Do not think of Suru Capital Core as a long-term hold, purely because even though they've had Facebook and a number of Apple and all the companies before, they tend to sell out a bit too soon. So this is more of a short-term gain play. So don't think this is going to be a company to hold for long term. Now, they're traditionally known to have someone said they're traditionally known to have high fees, but I haven't seen fees as of yet. But they've got low volume on the float, and I think this is one where once the IPO happens in September, it can and will go up. But as I said before, it's a risk we all have to take. But I always look into the risk to reward. That's why stocks I give you, I think the reward is worth the risk. Otherwise I wouldn't bring them to you. I hope you agree. Don't forget to leave a comment in the box below. It really does help with the YouTube algorithms, as does a like. So don't forget to smash that like button. And anyone who hasn't subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to check out Dividend Bloodhound. He is good at what he does. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. And the next one we're talking about is a penny stock, Lunar Innovations Incorporated. Now, this is one that has a few strings to its bow, and I think it's well worth a further look. As you can see here, there's a $19 million liabilities and current assets are $58 million. So I think it's got no problem paying off its debt. Its cash at the end of the period is $26.5 million. So it's got some cash on hand, and it's due to present Lytham Partners Virtual Investor Growth. You have Lunar Labs, you have quite a few parts to it. Now, if there's anything you want me to look into, don't forget to comment in the box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.